Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace fuses in this new Toyota Corolla car. And firstly we have to open this car's engine, this bay and this bonnet and hood, and then when we have opened that we have to look in that area, and there are these Toyota Corolla's fuses in here. And there is also some another position in this left area in here, and there are also some fuses in that area, but there is only a couple of fuses in here. But let's look those positions through. And this really this left driver side area, there is this biggest fuse box in here, and then there is smaller fuse box in this another side of that engine area. This passenger side area in here we have also smaller fuse box. There's only 2 fuses, but sometimes we might need to replace also those. And then I show the idea that how we can replace these fuses. Firstly, we have to open this fuse box, and Toyota, they use very nice these clamps. They are easy to open. We need to only press that and then lift up this cover, and this cover opens nicely. And there are in this up area also 2 of those, and I have to press all of these 3, and now this part opens. There is one side and that area 2 sides. And then there is important thing that I have to rotate immediately this Toyota's cover in upside down. When we look at back area, there is 3 very important things. Firstly, there is map of all of these fuses, and there is small text that in what fuse controls which part, and like if we have some issue, like I choose one of those. Wait a second. Now we have very nice view, and especially if we have fog light is dead, there is this 7.5 ampere fuse. What is this fog light fuse? And when I move that in here, we can see that this map is just same like in that one. We have better view, and this is really fuse map in here, and like this my case, where is this fog light? It is in that one in here. This one 7.5 is this fog light fuse, and I take a little bit better view that we can see that there is this 7.5 fuse. It is just in this one in here. This is fog light. This is this idea, and then how I can then replace these fuses. There is easy trick that in Toyota cars there is this fuse replace tool, this white one, in that one, and I install only this device in here, and then I press these sides and I pull out this fuse, and there we have now fuse in this my tool. And then I should, and I must to have similar new fuse, 7.5 ampere fuse, and this is in here. We can see this sides in this another area in here, and I can go to purchase these 7.5 fuses from the nearest Toyota dealership center. They have these fuses. But in emergency case, in oven risk, if I am really big troubles, I can use these pair fuses like in short time. And now Toyota, they have installed in here 3 spare fuses. 10 ampere, 30 and 30. 10, 20 and 30 amperes. And this my current fuse is 7.5. And I have to take nearest fuse, what is almost same. And normally that means that now I have to take this 10 ampere fuse, but only in short time, and I have to go to visit in Toyota dealership center, and this is like a spare part. Can you believe? Toyota have installed in here spare part in emergency case 10 ampere fuse, and now I install this fuse in this fog light position. And it happens so that I take this 10 ampere fuse in my hand, and I remember that its slot was that one, and we can go to now look closer. Now we have to remember that its position was that one, and there is this my fuse, and this back installation is best to do with fingers if we manage to install that. These are so small that I have difficult to install. Okay, and now it is that position, and then I have to use my thumb and press that totally so deep, look, that they all are in same plane. And now I have replaced that fuse, but remember that the original fuse was only this 7.5, and that's how I have to go to visit in Toyota dealership center and purchase new fuse. And remember to always install same size fuse. And some wise guy might think that why I can use this 30 ampere fuse. There is only thing that when we use this so heavy big fuse, then our fog light like cables, they can go broken and burn, and we can make fire in our car. And that's be carefully when you install new fuses. Okay, and then this power installation is important to install back, and in Toyota way we only press that in this way, and now this job is ready. And this is so easy with Toyota. Then my friend, you might think that why these fuses goes broken. It is very abnormal situation in Toyota, but sometimes we can disconnect 2 cables and that fuse goes bad. It is normal issue.